So what is this frame? I've never seen this in India.
Yeah, so this is actually a Jack Higgins splash frame. This is the first frame in India. I imported it from the US and I wanted a themed build that would be representative of India. So I got the tricolor 3D printed on this frame. And the special part is this is actually a fusion of two styles. If you go and check Jack Higgins Splash, this is actually a different style that was discontinued.
Oh, it looks really cool, man.
Yeah, it is.
So do you think we'll be able to fly this on 26 Jan?
I think we can. If we put it, we piece it together today, it should be fine.
And I see that you have some props which are customized.
Yes, so these are the HQ6 plate props. I particularly picked these props because these props will represent the Ashoka Chakra in the Indian flag.
Right.
So we have the tricolor, but we don't have the chakra. So
this completes the
yes,
build.
and what makes it special is that these came as translucent grey. I got these hydro-dipped to the exact blue color of the Ashoka Chakra.
So let's get started with the
Let's
build
do that, yeah.
and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so we are back and this is a sort of part 2 because in the last video that we made, we were trying to build this quad and we ran into some technical difficulties, and whenever we run into a trouble, we call our friend Utkarsh.
Hello. Yeah, the Indian Bardwell.
Yes, and everyone knows him from the Whoop Masters. So we tried to fix the cord and we just could not, and then we realized that the stack was gone bad.
And actually, big shout out to RC Mumbai for resolving it for us. It took about some time, but he came through, and hopefully now we will put it together and it will take off. What do you think?
Yeah, it will take off.
If it doesn't, then it's on Whoop Masters.
Yeah, okay. Do it.
So we have put the parts together. Now we'll just put the frame and then we'll bind the cord and see if it hovers.
Yeah, I'm just hoping that this gets over today.
It will. Don't worry. It will.
So Utkarsh has said it will, so it should. So let's go with the build now.
One eternity later.
And finally, my heart beats since the build is finally complete. It's finally complete. Will it fly?
Yes, of course.
We have to try this. I'm not taking this back home to find out it's not going.
Yeah, it will fly.
It's done. Without waiting even another few seconds, let's just do it.